Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to pick apart your Tikka T3x bolt with this tool. You simply put the tool on the bolt's back, rotate it against the bolt handle, then you use this hole and stick it in between here and rotate it against you. You can now push out the bolt handle, just like so, and pull out the firing pin. Now to reassemble, you simply do it all in reverse. So you put the firing pin in, insert the bolt handle, rotate it against the bolt handle all the way, and put this little bit back on.